and welcome to this demo by NaviPartner. I'm going to be showcasing the AI capabilities that we've worked on here recently at NaviPartner. They all integrate with our Business Central solution. So basically, this demo more so illustrates how AI can be used to work with data already existing in your Business Central. So the first demo is a restaurant ordering demo that is used in order to show how AI, in this case a voice AI, can create sales for you. This doesn't have to be the restaurant. It doesn't have to be a restaurant, but it can be used for any types of sales. Secondly, there's a Business Central analyst, which illustrates how AI, in this case voice, but it could be through text, can be used to create dashboards on the fly with real data. Lastly, we have an item search demo that illustrates how natural language can be used to search for items in a more natural way. Without further ado, let's get the demo started.
Hello, I'm Nova, NaviPartner's AI Demo Assistant. I'm excited to show you what we can do. Before we get started, which language would you like me to speak with you today? English or Spanish?
English, please.
Great, English it is. Now I'd like to show you 3 amazing demos you can try. First, there's our restaurant ordering demo, where you can order food using your voice. Just speak naturally and place your order. Second, we have a Business Central expert demo that lets you explore and visualize business data in an intuitive way. And third, there's our item search demo, where you can search for products using natural language instead of traditional search terms. Which one would you like to experience?
Could I start by trying the restaurant ordering demo, please?
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Are you dining in with us today, or would you like to take your order to go?
I'm dining in.
Perfect. Thank you for choosing to dine in with us. Great. So we have burgers, sandwiches, wraps, salads, sides, pastries, and a full range of drinks. What would you like to start with?
I would like a burger, but I'm a little unsure which burger I would like, so could I see a picture of the different burgers?
Of course. Let me show you some of our burger options. Which burger catches your eye?
Could I try the grilled chicken burger?
Perfect. Let me add 1 grilled chicken burger to your order. Great. I've added 1 grilled chicken burger for €14. Would you like any sides or drinks with that?
I've heard you have coffee. What types of coffee do you have?
We have espresso for $4.55, cappuccino for $5.20, and matcha latte
Okay,
for
that sounds
$5.20.
good. I would like a cappuccino, please.
Excellent. I've added a cappuccino for $5.20. Would you like anything else?
No, that's
Or are
okay.
you ready?
I've heard you speak Spanish as well.
Yes, I can help you in Spanish. But first, let me confirm your order. You have 1 grilled chicken burger for €14 and 1 cappuccino for $5.20 for a total of $19.20. Does that sound right?
That sounds right. Let's switch to Spanish, please.
Perfecto. Antes de completar tu pedido, quiero confirmar, tienes una hamburguesa de pollo a la parrilla por 14 euros y un capuchino por 5,20 para un total de 19,20. ¿Es correcto?
Sí, pero quiero agregar un pastel. ¿Qué tipos de pastel tienen?
Tenemos varios pasteles deliciosos, eclaire de limón y frambuesa por 6,50, eclaire de chocolate por 5,50, eclaire de limón y naranja por 6 euros, pastel de zanahoria por 6,50, torta roulade de frambuesa por 7,50, tarte de manzana crumble por 6,50, pastel danés por 3,95 y pan de centeno
Ok,
danés.
entonces me da un pastel de zanahoria, por favor.
Excelente. He agregado un pastel de zanahoria por 6,50. Ahora tu pedido es una hamburguesa de pollo a la parrilla, un capuchino y un pastel de zanahoria, para un total de 25,70. ¿Deseas algo más?
No, pero quiero cambiar al inglés otra vez, por favor.
Perfect. So to confirm, you have one grilled chicken burger, one
Yeah, okay,
cappuccino.
that sounds good. Can you take me back to the main menu, please?
Welcome back. How was the restaurant ordering demo? Now, what would you like to explore next? Would you like to try the restaurant ordering again, dive into Business Central to explore data, or search through items with our intelligent search?
I'd like to try the Business Central Explorer, please.
Welcome. I'm your Business Central data expert. I can help you explore sales performance, inventory valuation, customer insights, availability planning, and more across your data. What would you like to dig into today?
I'm a bit of like a new business owner, so could you create me a dashboard with all the relevant insights that I would need? I'm not entirely sure what I would need, so yeah, just surprise me.
Love it. Let me pull together the key numbers across sales, profit, inventory, and customers. Give me a moment. Got everything I need. Now let me build the dashboard. Here is your dashboard. Let me walk you through it. Starting with the top numbers, your business has done about $3.75 million in total sales, with roughly $944,000 in profit. Your average profit margin sits at 35%, which is healthy. You also have about $208,000 worth of stock currently in inventory. Looking at your top products, the ATFN Scribe Board and Atlanta Whiteboard are your two biggest earners, each bringing in just over $1 million. Those are clearly your flagship items. On the customer side, Contour Central and Lauritsen Contomeuble are your top two customers, each generating around $1.24 million in sales. They together account for a big chunk of your revenue, so those relationships are worth protecting. The table at the bottom gives you a product-by-product breakdown of sales, profit, and margin, so you can see where the money is actually being made. Would you like to dive deeper into any of these areas, or shall I
Yeah,
save this dashboard?
everything looks good, but could I change the top customers by sales to a pie chart instead? I think that would help me visualize it better.
Of course. There you go. The customer chart is now a pie, so you can instantly see how your top 5 customers are split. Contour Centralen and Lauritsen together take up roughly 2/3 of the pie, which really shows how concentrated your revenue is among those two. Would you like to make any other changes, or save this dashboard?
Um, I would like to make one more change. I am not sure how much I get from the inventory value KPI. What other KPIs could I put instead of that one?
Great question. Here are a few options that might be more useful to you as a new business owner. 1. Total units sold across all products gives you a sense of overall sales volume. 2. Number of active customers shows how broad your customer base is. 3. Top product profit margin highlights how well your best product is performing. 4. Total discount given. Useful to know how much revenue you are giving away
Okay,
in discount.
that's really interesting. Could I see the number of active customers instead of the inventory value then?
Sure, swapping that in now.
Okay, I am pretty happy with this dashboard. Can you take me back to the main menu, please?
Of course. Let me save the dashboard first before you go, or would you like to head straight back without saving?
Just head straight back.
Sure thing. Hope that was helpful. Good luck with the business.
Hey there! Welcome back from Exploring Business Central. How was that experience? Now, what would you like to dive into next? Our smart restaurant ordering system, dig deeper into Business Central's data capabilities, or explore our powerful item search with AI?
Could I try the item search, please?
Hello, I'm your product search assistant for Navi Partner. I'm here to help you find exactly what you're looking for. What would you like to search for today?
So I'm having a party on Saturday, and I don't have any speakers. Could you show me what speakers you have?
Now let me show you these results on the screen. Great. Here's what we have for your party. I found 4 solid speaker options. First up is the Pioneer bookshelf speakers at 129.99. These have 80 W of power and are really good for clear, robust sound with minimal vibration. Then there's the Klipsch reference speakers at 199.99 if you want something more premium. They've got excellent driver quality that delivers a rich, dynamic sound. For a budget option, the Insignia computer speakers are only 39.99 and come with a subwoofer, so you get some bass punch for the price. And if your party's outdoors, the Insignia outdoor rock speakers at 99.99 look like decorative rocks but hide great sound. For a party, I'd probably lean toward the Pioneer or Klipsch bookshelf speakers since they pump out solid power. Want me to find something different? Or do you have questions about any of these?
No, that sounds pretty good. Can you take me back to the main menu, please?
You're all set. Heading back to the main menu now. Enjoy your party on Saturday.
Welcome back. How was exploring the item search demo? Now, what would you like to try next? The restaurant ordering system, the Business Central Data Explorer, or would you like to dive into something else?
So yeah, as you can see, this has been sort of a brief demo on the AI capabilities here at Navi Partner. Basically, all of these things are just integrations into our current Business Central system. And the possibilities are kind of endless for how this could be utilized. You could use a Business Central Explorer in a more text-based AI, um, or you could advance the voice AI to different aspects of our Business Central business. But yeah, that's been all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah,